AI is changing everything. From writing blogs to designing art, it's now possible to earn real money online without any technical skills. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make $100 a day using free and paid AI tools, step by step. What is AI and why it matters? Artificial intelligence is like having a smart assistant that never sleeps. It can write content, answer emails, design logos, generate voiceovers, and it's getting smarter every day. If you know how to use it right, AI becomes a powerful money-making tool. AI tool you'll use. One of the best tools right now is called Jasper. It's a content writing assistant powered by GPT-4. You simply type a few keywords and Jasper can generate full blog posts, product descriptions, captions, you name it. There are free tools too, like ChatGPT, but Jasper gives you templates, faster results, and better polish. Where the money comes from. Okay, so how do you turn that into income? Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, and even Facebook groups are full of people looking for content writers. Many gigs pay between $30 and $100 per article or script. And with AI, you can write those articles in minutes, not hours. That means you could be earning money daily, even part-time. Step-by-step workflow. Here's a simple routine. Find a gig. Let's say a blog post for a fitness brand. Log into Jasper, select blog post, and enter the topic. Jasper generates a draft in under 2 minutes. Make light edits to personalize the tone. Submit it to the client. You can do this multiple times a day. If you write for blogs at $30 each, that's $120 a daily. Tips to maximize earnings. Start small, deliver high-quality work, and ask happy clients for reviews. Use ChatGPT to help you write outreach messages or proposals. You can even use AI for thumbnails, voiceovers, or script writing if you start a YouTube channel or TikTok page. AI isn't here to replace you, it's here to amplify you. Whether you want to freelance, build a brand, or create content, the opportunity is wide open. So start now. And if you want more videos on AI tools, freelancing tips, and making money online, subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. Turn on the bell so you never miss an upload.